Welcome back, everyone. Most important questions from Maths 2 Maharashtra Board 2022. Already in my last video, I have explained you do's and don'ts for Maths 1. Important sums. Now today, I will tell you the tips to score 90% and above in mathematics. How to score 90 plus in mathematics. So now Maths 2 do's and don'ts and important tips. Maharashtra Board Maths Science Stream 2022. Now first topic is differentiation. Differentiation. Highly weighted topic. Nth order derivative part is omitted. Nth order derivative part is omitted. 8 marks. So the paper pattern will be 4 marks sum, 2 marks, 2 marks like this. Or 4 marks, 3 marks, 1 mark like this. Now in 4 mark, mostly if you observe the past paper, only theorems come. So there are only 3 very important theorems which often come in board exam. First, theorem chain rule. Statement will be given. If y is differential function of u and u is differential function of x, show that dy by dx, dy by du into du by dx. You have to write a proof as it is as given in the government textbook. Not to write a proof of any outside material. If you want to score full marks, write a proof as given in the government textbook. Chain rule. Second, inverse function theorem means prove that dx by dy 1 upon dy by dx provided dy by dx is not equal to 0. Again, statement will be given. If y is differential function of x and x is differential function of y, show that dx by dy 1 upon dy by dx. And then third, parametric differentiation. dy by dx, dy by dt, dx by dt. Provided dx by dt not equal to 0. Y is function differential function of t, x is also a differential function of t. Show that dy by dx, dy by dt upon dx by dt. Now, this is the theory part, which is surely most of the time come in board exam. Then you have to do inverse trigonometric function part. Well, one sum will come from that. Then implicit function, one sum will come from that. Higher order derivative will not come in exam. Nth order derivative will not come in exam because it is the deleted portion or omitted portion for current year. Okay. So you have to do this well for derivatives. Also, you have to do all solved examples because that can come in MCQs. All small solved example you have to do. So these are the 3 important theorems. Chain rule means this. Y is differential function of u. U is differential function of x. Then dy by dx, dy by du, du by dx. These are the 3 important theorems. One theorem will come in board exam. Except nth order derivative, all part as given in textbook are there in board exam. Then इंडेफिनिट इंटीग्रेशन 9 मार्क्स वेटेज, सबसे ज्यादा वेटेज है इसको. 4 mark, 3 mark, 2 mark. 4 mark में theorem will come. Which theorems? First theorem, this. Integral fx dx is equal to integral f of t phi dash t dt, where x is phi t. Second, integration by parts. u into v, most important, येणार म्हणजे येणारच. u into integration of v minus integration of v and derivative of u with respect to x dx. Most important. Came more than 10-15 times in board exam. u into integration of v and then e raised to x function plus derivative of function. Theorem plus 2 mark sums, very important exercise. इसके ऊपर सम आता है मतलब आएगा ही. And then root x square plus a square, root x square minus a square and root a square minus a square. Okay, these are the important theory part. And then you have to do this exercise, third exercise and fourth exercise well in board exam. All sums depend on this formula and partial fraction. This will come for 2 marks to 3 marks in board exam. Also do the solved example given in textbook, because most of the time the paper set also put the solved examples. This part is omitted, so not to do. This type of sums are omitted, so not to do this type of sums from the exercise. All very simple level of sums come in exam, so not to do the lengthy level of sums. Never come in exam. Then you have application of derivatives. 8 marks weightage. 4 marks maximum minimum sum will guaranteed come in exam. Approximation part is omitted, so not to do a single sum. Approximation part is deleted, not to do a single sum from that. Maxima, minima, increasing, decreasing function, tangent and normal. Also Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem. This part is completely removed from the syllabus. Not there for your current batch. So not to do approximation, not to do Rolle's theorem, Lagrange's mean value theorem, and all sums of maxima, minima, word problems always come for 4 marks in board exams. So that you have to do well. Next we have definite integration. Definite integration. Property 1 to 7. Property 6, 7 will 100% come in exam. वो ट्रेंड है हमेशा. For last 15 to 20 years, always property 6 and 7 always come in exam. There are 8 properties given in textbook that you have to do for theory. And integral as a limit of sum. This part is completely omitted. So not to do a single sum. That is the first exercise not to do. What to do? Sums based on properties. Mostly third exercise. That you have to do well. Very well. Very, very well. Simple. Property based sums आएंगे. कौन से sum आएंगे? That I am going to explain in my next video. I will write the sums and importance also. Just now I am giving the tips. What to do, what to prepare for your coming board exam. Without taking much tension. If you follow all these things, you are surely going to score 90% and above. More than 90 marks in mathematics for sure. Then you have differential equation. Differential equation, 2 marks, 8 mark weightage. Order and degree, pahila exercise, always come in exam for 2 marks. Then form the differential equation by eliminating the arbitrary constant, 2 marks. And variable separable form, येणार म्हणजे येणारच. 100% one sum will come from variable separable form. Listen, from variable separable form. All sums you have to do. That is the third exercise. All sums you have to do. येणार म्हणजे येणारच. Then homogeneous differential equation. Fifth exercise is omitted. Means linear differential equation is omitted. This type of sums are omitted. dy by dx plus pxy equal to qx. Omitted. Or differential equation. And other parts, mostly variable separable form, you have to do very well. येणार म्हणजे येणारच. And last exercise mostly come for practicals. Application of differential equation. Population growth, mass decay, and Newton's law of pulling. One problem in rare cases can come for 4 marks. So there are only limited number of sums, one exercise. So you should go through. Better you do all the solved examples. So all sums are of same type. मतलब आपने एक तो solved example किए ना, तो on the same line you have to do the exercise. All sums depend only on one concept that I am going to explain in the next video. Now, back up to very important topics: probability distribution and the binomial distribution. Back up. Very easy. But after that, you have application of definite integration. कंबाइंड वेटेज, डेफिनेट इंटीग्रेशन और एप्लीकेशन दोनों को मिला के 8 मार्क का वेटेज है. मतलब मान के चलो 4-4 मार्क के सम्स आएंगे. Find area, only one part is the area. You have only one exercise, so you have to do all sums very well. I have given all sums with shortcuts. Link will be given. Application of definite integration. Please go through all example I have solved from textbook in that link. Please watch. I have given all shortcut also, so that will help you to score, because इसमें से MCQ आ सकते हैं 2 मार्क के लिए. So theory it will come for 4 marks, or MCQs 2 marks, and 2 marks simple question will come. All important sums I have explained in my all previous videos. Please go through. Link will be given in the video. Then you have 2 very important backup topics. उसको पूरी तरह से करना है, including miscellaneous exercise, probability distribution and the binomial distribution. Very important. 6 marks and 5 mark weightage. 11 mark बैकअप. कोई टफ सम आ गया समझो, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव या इंटीग्रेशन में से, so this topic will always be there to help you. Weightage is 11 mark combined. Probability distribution and binomial distribution. Probability distribution PDF part is omitted. Means sums based on integration part is omitted. PDF all sums are omitted. मतलब third exercise all onwards all exercise are omitted. That even I am going to explain which sums are important. Just now follow my tips and advice, and you have to do them very sincerely to score 90 plus marks, maybe even 100 out of 100. Next video I am going to explain you how to write the board papers, how to represent any sum. Everything I am going to explain. Please follow my instructions, share the videos and subscribe. Probability and binomial. Binomial, only one exercise there. Sums based on mean, variance, and simple sums. Lengthy sums will never come. क्योंकि 4 मार्क का वेटेज बनता ही नहीं है उसका. 4 मार्क के सम कभी आते ही नहीं है बायनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से. तो 3 मार्क और 2 मार्क ऐसे 2 ही क्वेश्चन आएंगे. तो 2 मार्क में हमेशा EX और वेरिएंस X के ही सम आते हैं और 3 मार्क में एक सिंपल सा वर्ड प्रॉब्लम रहेगा. A coin is tossed 8 times. Like this. All sums will come A to Z from your government textbook. And probability distribution, remember, PDF part is omitted. Other thing you have to do well because it is very easy exercise and very scoring and backup for all difficult topics. So this video I have explained you all important things. Please listen very carefully. And next video I will even explain how to solve the sums, how to solve MCQs rapidly, how to score 95 and above, even 100 out of 100. So please be with me for the next video. Share and please subscribe. Please subscribe, listen, so that as soon as my videos come, you will know, will not miss, because hardly few days are remaining for your board exam. All the best to everyone. All the best. My students are extraordinary. Bye.